Ladies and gents, good afternoon. Welcome. Some of you may remember some time ago that I showed you how to carry out some basic IT maintenance on an old iPhone that was having a few problems. And here it is. It's still working perfectly, and so therefore I'd like to address another issue which seems to be quite common with owners of iPhones, and that is when they drop them into toilets. Here we have an iPhone 5S, which was dropped into a toilet and stopped working. And it's a well-known fact that you can repair an iPhone quite easily using nothing more than rice. But no one ever tells you exactly what to do with the rice, so I thought I'd show you. What you need is a broken iPhone and some rice. And somewhere to put it. So, here we go, here's the phone. So we put the iPhone in the water. We then add some rice. Here we go. This is Tesco Easy Cook Long Grain and Wild Rice. So we open the rice, just like so. A little bit difficult. Oh, here we go. There we go. I'll open the rice, pour some rice in. There. Okay. So we've got an iPhone in some water with some rice. And now all you need is a little heat. There you are. See, now it's completely dry. Completely dry. There's no moisture in this whatsoever. It might need a new screen like the last one, but I'd say that's pretty much repaired.